There's a moment that happens in almost every single salon chair. A woman turns 50 or 60 and says the exact same sentence to her stylist, "Just give me something easy, nothing too dramatic." And here's what almost nobody tells her. That one simple request is often exactly how a woman ends up looking older rather than younger, because easy so often gets translated into flat and safe gets translated into shapeless. Today I'm showing you 5 specific haircuts that do the complete opposite, cuts that genuinely take years off visually while still being remarkably simple to maintain, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly which one is right for your own hair texture and face shape. Hey there and welcome to Elegance at Any Age, the channel dedicated to helping women over 60 look polished, current and completely confident, without needing an expensive stylist or a wardrobe budget that keeps you up at night. If you're new here, welcome. I'm genuinely glad you found this video because hair is honestly one of the fastest, most affordable ways to visually refresh your entire look. And today we're covering exactly how to do that the right way with real specific guidance you can bring straight into your next salon appointment. And if you're already part of this community, welcome back, get comfortable, because this list might completely change your next salon visit. Now before we dive in, here's a small favor to ask. If you're new here, take a moment right now to hit that subscribe button. This channel puts out practical, honest beauty and style advice exactly like this every single week, and you genuinely don't want to miss what's coming. And whether you're new or you've been here a while, drop a comment down below telling me your current hair length. I want to see exactly what everyone's working with before we get into these 5 cuts. Alright, let's get into haircut number 1, because it's more versatile than you'd expect. Haircut 1. The long layered bob with soft face framing. Let's start with one of the most universally flattering cuts that exists for this exact goal, a long bob, sometimes called a lob, cut with soft layers concentrated specifically around the face. On its own, a completely blunt bob with zero layering can genuinely look heavy or severe, but adding soft face framing pieces around the cheekbones and jawline changes the entire effect. Face framing layers work because they draw the eye upward toward the cheekbones and eyes, the areas of the face that hold the most naturally youthful energy, rather than letting attention travel downward toward the jaw and neck, which is exactly where a heavier, blunt cut tends to pull focus instead. This cut is also remarkably low maintenance. It looks polished with a simple blow dry, and equally lovely air dried with a bit of texturizing spray scrunched through the ends, growing out gracefully over several months without ever looking obviously overgrown. When booking this specific cut, use the phrase long bob with soft face framing layers, rather than simply a bob, since that small detail is precisely what separates this youthful, intentional version from a flatter, more severe one. Haircut 2. The curtain bangs with length. Next, curtain bangs, a style that's experienced a genuine resurgence recently, and for good reason. Unlike a heavy, blunt fringe cut in one solid line across the forehead, curtain bangs are parted gently down the middle and swept to each side, framing the face the way an open curtain frames a window, rather than sitting as one hard block. This style works so well because it softens the forehead without concealing it entirely, and it blends naturally into the rest of the hair, meaning it doesn't require a separate, complicated styling routine. Curtain bangs also grow out far more gracefully than a blunt fringe. Within just a few weeks they simply blend into the surrounding face framing layers, rather than needing an emergency trim. The real benefit for women over 50 specifically is how effectively curtain bangs lift and soften the entire upper face, especially for anyone noticing slightly more forehead showing as hair naturally becomes finer with age. Many women choose to add curtain bangs to a haircut they already love, simply as a small addition, rather than committing to an entirely new style from scratch. Alright, let's pause here because I want to hear from you. Between the long layered bob and curtain bangs, which one feels more like your style? Drop a 1 or a 2 in the comments. And if you're already wearing something close to either, let me know that too. I love seeing what our community is already rocking. And here's my honest ask: if you're finding this helpful, take a second and hit subscribe now if you haven't already. This channel puts out real practical guidance exactly like this every single week. Give this video a like too. It genuinely helps more women who need this exact information find it. Okay, let's keep going because haircut number 3 brings in some genuine texture and movement. Haircut 3. The textured shoulder-length shag. The modern shag deserves a spot on this list specifically because of how effectively it fights that flat, lifeless energy we talked about earlier. A textured shoulder-length shag features layers cut throughout the entire length of the hair, creating natural volume and movement, rather than one heavy single length hanging flat against the head. The key detail that makes this version work so beautifully is keeping the layering soft and well blended, rather than choppy and severe. A softly textured shag adds body and lift specifically at the crown, which is often exactly the area where hair thins first with age. That added volume and movement does an enormous amount of visual work on its own, making hair look noticeably thicker and healthier, even on days it hasn't been freshly washed or styled. This cut also pairs beautifully with a texturizing spray or light mousse applied to damp hair before air drying, since the product enhances the natural movement built into the layers without requiring heavy daily heat styling, making it a genuinely practical choice for busy mornings. Haircut 4. The Volumizing Pixie with Soft Crown Lift. Here's a style so many women assume won't work for them, when it's often precisely the opposite. A well-cut pixie, specifically one with soft, gentle lift built into the crown rather than being cut completely flat, can genuinely be one of the most flattering and youthful cuts available, especially for finer or thinning hair. The secret lies in how the cut is structured rather than simply how much hair is removed. A pixie with soft layering concentrated at the crown, gradually blending into slightly closer crop sides and back, creates the visual illusion of significant volume and thickness, even on genuinely fine hair. This is completely different from an overly texturized pixie, which can actually make finer hair look sparse. This version keeps enough weight in the right places to look full and healthy rather than piecey and thin. Many women avoid the pixie entirely out of fear it will look too severe, but a soft rounded pixie with genuine crown lift is honestly one of the softest, most distinctly feminine shortcuts available, and it requires significantly less daily styling time than nearly any other option on this list, simply because there's less hair to manage overall. One more quick pause before we finish, because I genuinely want to know your thoughts on haircut number 4 especially. If you've ever avoided a pixie purely out of fear it would look too severe, drop a comment saying guilty. I promise you're far from alone. This is one of the most common hesitations I hear about constantly. And if this video is giving you real value, please subscribe if you haven't already. This channel exists specifically to help you walk into your next salon appointment with real confidence. Like this video too. It genuinely helps more women find this information before their next haircut decision. Okay, let's finish this list with the final style. Haircut 5. The Angled Bob with Graduated Back. And finally, the angled bob, sometimes called a graduated bob, a style where the hair sits slightly shorter at the back and gradually lengthens toward the front, rather than being one uniform length all the way around. This subtle angle accomplishes something genuinely remarkable structurally. It naturally builds volume and lift at the crown and back of the head, simply through the way the layers stack against one another, without requiring heavy styling or excessive product. This cut also creates a beautifully soft, elongated line along the jaw and neck, one of the most universally flattering effects across nearly every face shape. It photographs wonderfully too, since that graduated angle catches light and shadow in a way that reads as intentional and polished from nearly every viewing angle. The angle bob is also remarkably low maintenance once properly cut. The natural stacking of the layers means it holds its shape well even between salon visits, and it works equally well air-dried for a casual day, or blown out smooth for something slightly more polished. Bonus section. The exact words to use at your next appointment. Before we close out, here's something genuinely practical to take with you. Instead of vague phrases like something easy or nothing too much, try being specific, bring a reference photo if you have one, and use language like soft layers not blunt, movement through the crown, or face framing pieces not a hard line. If you're nervous about committing to something dramatically different, ask your stylist about a transitional cut, a version of any of these 5 styles that gradually eases you from your current cut toward the fuller change, rather than jumping straight into it all at once. Most stylists genuinely appreciate this kind of clear, specific communication, since it removes the guesswork entirely and dramatically increases the chances you walk out of that appointment thrilled with the result. Closing. So there you have it, 5 specific haircuts: the long layered bob with face framing, curtain bangs, the textured shoulder length shag, the volumizing pixie with crown lift, and the angled graduated bob, every single one of them intentional, flattering, and genuinely low maintenance. The real secret was never about cutting your hair shorter or more severely as you age. It was always about choosing shape and intention over whatever feels fastest and safest in the chair. If this video helped you walk into your next salon appointment with more confidence today, that's exactly why we create videos like this every single week. So here's my final ask. If you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications, so you never miss a new video the moment it goes live. Give this video a thumbs up if you're considering one of these 5 styles for your next cut, and drop a comment telling me which one you're most drawn to. Share this with a friend who has a salon appointment coming up. She'll genuinely thank you for it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.